Hey guys, hope you all are fine. Today we woke up early morning and heading to Tokatoka Lookout located in Kaipara district. I think I pronounced it properly. Hopefully weather will be perfect as same as now. Anyways, before start, make sure to clean shoes, scrub nicely, and always on the track. It's very important thing. This is 40 minutes walking track, not really hard, but should be careful because there's no any handrails, especially if you're scared of heights. Forget about this place. This one will be really bad for you. And some areas bit slippery, pretty sure after rain, definitely the whole track will be slippery. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe me, and if you like these videos, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much.